Myself, Sheikh Mohammad Affan, and today I am going to share some information and details about Eton Corporation Private and Limited. So, have a look on history and establishment that how Eton was established. Eton Corporation, a diversified industrial manufacturer which makes fluid power, electrical, automotive, and truck products, was founded as the Torbenson Gear Axle Corporation to make truck axles. Founded in 1911 by Viggo Torbenson, Joseph Oriel Eaton, and Eaton's brother-in-law Henning O. Tobbe. And at that time, this company used to make the truck axles. The company moved from its original location in Bloomfield to New Jersey, Cleveland in 1915. In 1919, Joseph Eaton left the Republic to form the Corporation, Eaton Excel Corporation, which soon became a leading firm in the field. From its new plant in East Cleveland, Joseph Eaton bought control of Torbenson Excel in 1922, and with the acquisition of True Spring manufacturer, Eaton diversified its production to include automobile components and continued acquisition into following decade. At that situation, Eaton continued his acquisition for some decades, and this company gave expertise in the manufacturing of valves, pumps, and precise engine part. With plants in several states, Eaton was one of the largest automotive part manufacturer in the US, and its diverse product line enabled the company to survive the depression. Then the firm changed its name again in 1971 to Eaton Corporation, and throughout the 1970s, the company was adversely affected by declining sales of domestic vehicles. Under the leadership of E. Mendel, then Eaton carefully planned its future acquisition with an eye to recession resistant diversity and balance. Eaton acquired firm then Eaton acquired firms in high-tech electronic industries because it loses some revenue in automobile sector. That's why it started acquiring firms in high-tech electronics industries. The company also sold some of its vehicle division and closed unprofitable plants to invest in high-tech electronic industries. Locally, Eaton sold industry drives, formerly from Cleveland Worm and Gear, and closed the old tinner and fastener plant at Brook Park. And this strategy works and apparently succeeded by 1984. Eaton was recording greater profits from electronic products from vehicle components rather than from vehicle components, although the company would sell its defense electronic business in 1980s. Eaton's original two product lines. By 2003, Eaton Corporation diversified industrial manufacturing operations, served market ranging from commercial aerospace, military defense, automobile and truck components to industrial machinery and electrical distribution and control equipment. Eaton Corporation diverse holding led to the sales totaling 7.2 billion in 2002. In 2012, Eaton made a major expansion through the purchase of Cooper Industries, which is an Irish-based company. And shortly thereafter, in 2013, the company moved its headquarters to 580,000 square foot facility in suburban Beechwood. And at the end of the 2016, the company overall had a employee count of 95,000. It comprises all over the it comprises the 95,000 employees at the end of 2016. How Eaton came in India. The story of Eaton in India is that of journey of firm beginning, focused expansion and steady growth. Eaton entered in India in the year 1999 through the global acquisition of Euro Euroquip Vickers. Today, with 18 locations and 7 manufacturing facilities with overall 5,000 employee count, all of the Eaton businesses are well represented in India. With a clear view to expanding its presence in India, Eaton has established many few entities. That was engineering center in the Pune campus, which is designed to do high and engineering work for all the Eaton segments. Since then, Eaton has focused on enhancing its presence in India as power management company in all business segments, and that give diverse opportunities in India. That give a diverse opportunities for Eaton to be led in India and to become a leading company in India. So then, products and solutions. Which products did Eaton make? Eaton produces a broad range of products and services from fuel efficient system to power chain management tools and components and safely guide commercial aircraft. Eaton is always looking for new ways to increase the value of the products and the customer satisfaction that Eaton offers to the customer. Here some are the components which Eaton used to make. In that, the first one is aerospace. Aerospace. Eaton is a leading producer of aerospace systems. In that, it makes hoses, couplings, ducting, and seals, hydraulic valves, motion control systems, and many more things. Next is a filtration. Eaton is leading producer of filtration equipment. The equipment used for filtration will be produced by Eaton. In electrical sector, a global Eaton is a global leader in power distribution and power control and automation with energy management products and services. In that, it produces power distribution and power control systems. In hydraulic, Eaton hydraulic business is direct result of company's dedication to leadership in hydraulics for both mobile and industrial application. In that, hydraulic the components relevant to hydraulics machines such as pumps, valves, motors, cylinders, power units, hoses, hose fittings, and many more components which is relevant to hydraulics machine can be produced by Eaton. Then in automobile sector, it usually makes engine valves. For almost 100 of years, Eaton provides automotive and commercial vehicle product designed to reduce fuel consumption. Uh, Designed to reduce fuel consumption in the sense it mostly make engine valves. I think so. Engine valves. Next is a year-wise turnover analysis. In as we see in the graph, here is a year-wise turnover analysis of Eaton. The graph is shown below, which will reflect a revenue of a company. In 2018 year, the revenue of the company is 21.61 billion US dollars, and in 2019 it is 21.39 billion US dollars, which means there is a slight decrease in a revenue of 2019 as compared to 2018. And in 2020 there is a huge decline in revenue of Eaton, which is 17.86 billion, which is from 21.39 to 17.86. It means there is a decline of 16.5%. Then there is a quarterly revenue. This is not much more, this is not much different than a, but it shows exact inside that it shows in graph that Q1, Q2, Q1 means the first 4 months of 2019 year, Q2 means the second 4 months of 2019 year, and Q3 means the fourth month 4 months of 2019 year. At the table shown below the graph, it shows all the quarterly revenue in the year 2019, 28, 20 and 2021. Number of employees. The chart given below shows us the number of employees ranging from 2016 to 2021. See the last line. Eton total number of employees in 2017 was 96,000, and in year 2018 it was 99,000, and which means there is an increase of employee count by 3.13% in 2018 as compared to 2017. Then in 2019 there is a 1,01,000 employee, which means that there is an again and increased in a percentage of employee count by 2.202% as compared to 2018. And in 2020 there is only 91,987 employee count, and it seems that there is a much more decline in employee count in 2020 with respect to 2019. And and as we see in percentage that there is a 8.92% decline in 2020 as compared to 2019.
Eton Corporate Social Responsibility Policy. Eton aims to fulfill civic responsibility and strengthen the community in which the company operates. The CSR activity in India are focused on empowering the communities in health, environment and education. Eton is committed to making the community and workplace better place to live, work and thrive. Creating powerful relationship with the community leader and organization. In furtherance to this commitment and in compliance with the objective and requirements set both in section 135 of the Company Act 2013 and the rule notified thereunder, Eton hereby develop its CSR policy applicable to the 5 of its legal entity in India. Their name are Eton Technological Private Limited, MTL Instrument Private Limited, Eton Power Quality Private Limited, Eton Industrial System Private Limited, Eton Fluid Power Limited. Steps of CSR Policy. Title and applicability. The all board of directors of legal entity have decided to adopt the Eton umbrella CSR policy. The policy shall be applicable to Eton in India and its above mentioned subsidiary and holding companies and shall be governed by internal ally the provision of the act and the rule notified thereunder. Eton CSR objective in India. Eton aim to fulfill civic responsibility and strengthen the communities in which the company operates. The company's commitment is to uphold far-reaching and long-term sustainability standards. Validity of policy. The policy for has been approved by the respective board of 4 above stated legal entities of Eton in India on the dated as above mentioned. The CSR policy may be amendment as required by the board. Maintenance of the policy. The CSR policy will be maintained by the Eton CSR committee. Further, the policy will be reviewed as required by the board of the respective companies. Themes and focus area. The CSR activity in India are focused on the empowering the communities in the 3 basic areas: health, environment and education. Fostering healthcare. Support the community on the health and related issue. Fostering education. Supporting and enhancing education in the communities. Environment. Environmental protection and the conservation in the communities by the encouraging more sustainable practice, conducting plantation drive and building environmental awareness among the various stakeholders. Implementation. The company CSR program will be identified, implemented and modified if they required. As per the board approved CSR policy, the CSR program will be identified, proposed by CSR team in accordance with the guideline laid down by the CSR policy. Reporting of the CSR in the annual report. Company to report its annual CSR activity as per the prescribed format as required by the Act and rule made by thereunder. Eaton Award and Recognition. Named a Thomas Eaton 2011 Top 100 Global Innovator. Ranked among the world top 6 diversified industrial companies for the sustainability leadership by the Sustainable Asset Management 2010 yearbook. Ranked 16 overall in the Newsweek Green Ranking 2010 and first rank in the general industrial categories. Ranked among the world top sustainability performer in the Nasdaq Global Sustainability 15 Index. Ranked among the Fortune magazine most admired companies. Recognized by the Ethisphere magazine as one of the world most ethical companies for the sixth consecutive year. Cited in the China's Business Watch magazines, Green Company Top 10 and Fast Company Top 100. One of the 5 companies selected by the Maron for its Green Dream Team, ranked among corporate responsibility upper magazine. 100 best corporate citizens for 5th consecutive year. GI job for top 100 military friendly employer for the 4th consecutive year. Vision of Eaton: to improve the quality of life and the environment through the use of the power management technology and service. To achieve this vision, we need to develop our employee by helping them succeed not just at work but in life as well. Delight our customer by understanding their challenges and delivering a real solution proactively. Deliver for our shareholder by doing what's right for them. Support our community by offering our time and talent to meet social and economic need where we work and live. Goals of Eaton: achieving our goals to unify the organization around our shared purpose. We aspire to be the preferred supplier to our customer and channel partner. Mark on understanding, engaging and meaningful for our employees. Make community stronger. Ensure health, wellness and safety for our employees. Be a model for inclusion and diversity in our industry. Be active steward of the environment.